Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Quick Share controls so you can disable them right away. Swipe down twice from the top and locate the Quick Share tile. If it isn't visible, long press the Quick Settings area to reveal tiles. Once done, tap the gear icon to jump into device settings for a more reliable route. You do this because the tile can be temporary. Using the Settings menu ensures the change sticks and avoids accidental re-enabling later. Now you disable Quick Share itself inside Settings so the system stops advertising your device. Once in Connections or Advanced Features, scroll to Quick Share or Nearby Share. Samsung sometimes renames it across updates. Tap into that page, review visibility and device name options so you know what you're turning off, then toggle the main Quick Share switch to off. After you turn it off, make sure no secondary toggles like visibility or receive files are still enabled. They can override the primary switch. Finish by verifying the change so Quick Share stays off. You should see the Quick Share tile grayed out or missing. If it still appears active, restart the phone and check the settings page again. Once restarted, double-check visibility and receive options to ensure nothing re-enabled. If problems continue, clear the cache and data for nearby services or the sharing app, and as a last resort reset network settings. That removes paired sharing behaviors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.